picking the pick in place to the output track, going to the device output tube. You will see the device is falling smoothly without jam. This is the moving of the device from the test site to the output track. We are running the about 1,000 device without any jam. Showing here that we are continuously running the machine and the flow is very smooth without any jam. We are again loading from the manual assembly to the input track, to the test site, to the output track, to the device output tube.